The 2002 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, alloy wheels, front air conditioning, cruise control, anti-theft security system, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, power door locks, trip computer, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.